OpenAI just walked away from $1 billion Disney deal, torched their most hyped consumer product, and called it a strategic win. And they're not wrong. And while the internet mourns AI video, I've seen a lot of people saying AI video is dead now. This is the sign of the bubble collapsing, but it couldn't be further from the truth. But what it is showing is the move fast and break things era is over. And now we moved into ROI or GTFO. Let's talk about the brutal math here. Sora is already shut down and the API is scheduled to die on September 24th of this year. Right now it's costing OpenAI $15 million a day just to operate Sora, and the total revenue of its lifetime has been $2.1 million. That's a failure by anybody's math, even creatives. From my research, I found out that Disney only found out about an hour before they made the announcement public to everybody else. So almost securing that deal was going to be shut down immediately. If partners like Disney were finding out an hour before it was shut down, this thing was really never meant to exist. When Sora was first announced, I was so excited. We had never seen anything like it at the time. The fidelity was amazing. It promised consistent characters, a better workflow, but it never really came into existence. And I like to say in my lifetime, or at least my professional video lifetime, it is the most sought after vaporware of all time. People have always called Sora the category leader. I would never call it that. I've never actually used it in a project. I've played around with it. I've tried to make videos with it, and I've never once found it usable. And this was with the original Sora. Sora 2, when it came along, it became the actual thing that all of us in professional AI video or professional AI filmmaking have feared. The actual definition of AI slot machine. You type in a few lines of prompt, you can tag yourself in, and it generates a video for you. Like literally something that nobody was asking for. Was it fun for a few days to play around with and test? Sure. But beyond making 1 or 2 videos with it, I got tired with it immediately because I couldn't do anything that I wanted to do with my traditional filmmaking workflow. And I do know that some people have used it and are actually pretty sad about it because it filled one very small portion of their pipeline. But the majority of people that are doing professional videos with AI or have it incorporated at some level are just not using it. Now, why did OpenAI decide this? Because of some of the political environment lately, OpenAI has seen a mass exodus and they want to focus down on their core product and make that better. And they saw Sora exactly for what it is, a distraction for them. A lot of people in the creative community just assume that means AI video is dead. I think for some reason, Sora was still the kind of gold standard because it had so much hype behind them. I do not know one person that works with a lot of these creative tools that is going to miss it at all, including myself. So before I move on, I have a quick question for you. Do you like the music backtrack I picked for this? Well, the music for this entire video was made from Lyra 3 within Artlist. AI music is now on Artlist. You can now generate studio quality commercial ready music in multiple genres and languages and get a pro grade full length outputs with Lyra 3 Pro by Google. And it's all inside the Artlist AI toolkit. I do want to take a moment and give OpenAI credit. They were kind of the first to market, and I admit that I was super excited when I first heard about it. I was ready to go and do the $200 a month plan for OpenAI, and I did eventually buy that plan, but I immediately turned it off because it was unusable for me in a professional workflow. The fidelity was, I have to say, still probably one of the best filmic looking scenes. It just wouldn't adhere to the prompts that I put in it, and character consistency was all over the place. So I know I'm in kind of a vacuum working very deeply in the AI video and AI creative space, but I think a lot of this is coming on the heels of Seedance 2.0. We know that it's in the middle of getting nerfed right now, or being prepared for the US user. A lot of us are still waiting access. Luckily, I got a little early access, but the full API suite keeps getting delayed, and there are rumors that it is just not going to roll out in the US at all. And I don't know the actual date, but we all know that VO4 is going to come, and it is most likely going to be a Seedance competitor. And it's probably going to usurp that model. We'll be able to use it here in the US. So there's this thought in the anti-AI space that Sora means the death of AI video. And that couldn't be further from the truth. I think OpenAI saw that they could not compete in this space and it was distracting them, and they just pulled the plug. That doesn't mean that every AI video model is going to follow suit. As Matthew McConaughey has said, AI in production and AI in video is just too productive, and there's too much money on the table for this to completely go away. So these rumors and these people that you hear about the AI bubble is popping. Sure, there is a bubble in some regards, and sure, it is going to pop. But it's going to be very similar to what happened here with Sora, with OpenAI. You're going to see models and companies like OpenAI, Claude, Runway, they're going to figure out their spot in this marketplace and combine their resources into models that actually work for the people that they figured out are their audiences. So I'm not scared that the AI video space is going anywhere. AI video is now getting very defined now that we know what our context is, how to prompt, and how to build controls around it. And it's going to continue to evolve in that fashion, where we are going to get to the point here very soon where we have total scene level control. As always, be well, do good, and make awesome things.